Hi guys, this is Glen here from Metro Hobbies in Box Hill. Well, you got a great airbrush setup when you're looking to take the next step, something a little bit more healthier, for example, to get your airbrush setup looking just spick. This is the answer right here, guys. The Hobby Basics spray booth with LED lights is what you are looking for. So let's get it open and get it all set up for you. Okay guys, first thing you should get when you open the box is your spray booth itself, the lighting gear, and the air hose, and of course the 12-volt adapter. Don't forget the ever popular instructions, but let's get on this. Setting up is fairly straightforward. Everything you need is in the box. Once all the tabs are connected, add the 3 light units as indicated. If you need to vent the fumes outside your window, a hose attachment is included. Place the turntable and then switch on. When spraying indoors, don't forget to use a protective mask. If you need a filter replacement, click on the link below to reorder. They're always in stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe below. Have a great day everybody, and happy modeling.